Flying cars are vehicles that can operate both on roads and in the air. They combine elements of automobiles and aircraft, allowing for vertical takeoff and landing to feel or requiring a runway depending on the design. Here are some key details. Types of flying cars. VTOL vertical takeoff and landing flying cars. Can take off and land like a helicopter. Uses electric or hybrid propulsion. Examples: Klein Vision Aircar, Xpeng X2, Aleph Aeronautics Model A. Fixed-wing flying cars. Needs a runway for takeoff and landing. Works like a small airplane that can be driven on roads. Example: Terrafugia Transition. Drone-style flying cars. Uses multiple rotors like a drone. Fully electric with autonomous control. Example: Jetson 1. Key features: electric or hybrid engines. Many modern flying cars use electric power for sustainability. Autonomous capabilities. Some are designed for self-flying with AI assistance. Compact design. Can switch between car and aircraft modes, high speeds and altitudes. Some can reach over 200 mph and fly up to 10,000 feet.